Is it recording? Hey guys, this is Aditi here. So today's video, it's gonna be a haul from Dress Lily and Rose Gold. Cactus is my favorite. So I'm obsessed with Cactus print t-shirts, bags and everything I wanted in Cactus. I just came across this beautiful light in the website dresslily.com and I was really impressed with it and I had to get for myself just to add as a cute background for my YouTube video or something of that sort. This is such a cute little bag. It has a hole where you can hang it or you can use it as a bed stand. Either way, this is really so cute. It actually lights up. So as you can see, it just gives a beautiful glow to it. So I know you guys will be interested in this. If you're interested in this, you can just check the link below. I just barely got this for 200 or 250 rupees from the dresslily.com, which is really amazing because it's very expensive here. Oh, and not just that, I also have this beautiful fairy light which I got again from rosegirl.com. So I just shopped from two different sites, dresslily.com and rosegirl.com, in case if you're wondering. And if you don't know what these sites are about, I will mention my previous videos linked above. Do consider checking that video after you watch this video because I'm going to talk to you about the customs, the shipping process, how you have to pay for it, is it safe and is it okay, the product quality, everything in detail in the previous videos. So do consider checking that video after watching the haul so that you get an idea, and if you want to buy, you can just go to the link directly mentioned on the description tab below and buy one for yourself. This little fairy light that I got is again from rosegirl.com. Every time I used to see in a lot of local shops and Amazon sites, so really so expensive and also nothing like cute. These are actually the cat face lights which are really so cute. So they have the battery here. Let me show you the close-up of it to see how the cat face looks. These are beautifully the kitten faces and they just light up in the center of the head. Really cute. So if I'm gonna turn it off, this is how it's gonna look. So this look really so adorable, and the best part is they just need some 6 AA batteries and they are good to go. So I am in love with that, and you can actually buy this for yourself from the links I've mentioned below. Guys, not just that, so this is the backpack that I got from Dress Lily. So I have been wanting to get this backpack for the longest time, but it's like very expensive. It almost cost about 6,000 or 7,000 rupees. Actually the anti-theft backpack. The highlight of it is like nobody knows where the zip of it is because it's like totally hidden. The zip of the backpack at the back, the front part of it, and opens up like this. So our items are really going to be safe and nobody can actually steal anything from you. This one is really the perfect bag for keeping my laptop and other essentials. It actually opens up completely like this. This is where I keep my laptop, and there is also another compartment where I keep my iPad, and these are the two places where I actually keep my camera, two of my cameras and the cords and plug-in things, all those essentials with it. So it comes with a lot of different pouches. This is a plug point where you can charge your mobile phone without you having to take anything out. I actually wanted a purple color bag, but I couldn't find it, so I had to settle up with grey, and it has a good cushioning and padding, and this is fantastic to carry anywhere if you're traveling in India. One of the best things that I ever purchased, and I got it from Dress Lily. I'm really happy about the purchase. So yeah, this is the anti-theft backpack for you guys and I just love it. Also be sharing a coupon code in the description tab below. Coupon code for dresslily.com and Rose Girl coupon code as well. You can just type it at the end of the checkout page and you're gonna get some discount on the purchase bag. I just got this another cute little sling bag, a handbag that you can carry all your essentials in. So this is exactly what I use whenever I'm going for shopping. It has a lot of compartments inside. And the color combination is totally different and unique, mustard and grey combination, and I'm really thoroughly enjoying it. Slogan strap is really trending these days. This dangling thing it comes with. So it has this cute bunny with a pom-pom. Oh my god, I'm just loving this. The cute stuff actually draws me so much, and I'm sure like a lot of you girls are gonna love this as well. So it's like the perfect size for me. It's not too heavy, it's not too small. So you can actually carry it like a handbag if you're interested, but I am more interested in carrying it like a sling. It has this button magnetic enclosure and it has a very big pouch. And the same, it has another pouch here as well to keep in your essentials. And the center part comes with a zip. To zip it up, it's going to have like a main compartment here and two other things where you can throw it all your makeup or any other stuff that you want to carry that is not really that important. Again, I'm going to be leaving the links of it in the description tab below, so you can just take that out if you're interested. Another favorite bag that I got from rosegirl.com is this beautiful slogan strap bag. This is like an amazing backpack. The backpack has a slogan strap. When you're going to wear it on it, it's going to give a beautiful trendy look. Not just that, it also comes with a side strap. I saw like Zara selling this for almost like 3,000, 4,000 rupees. It's like way too expensive. I got mine for a really cheaper price. So Opens up, it has a compartment, and you can throw in a lot. I just love the two side pockets. This is like a really useful pouch. So this is my favorite bag, and I'm just loving it so much. I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking about the customs duty and everything about it. So there is no customs if you are going to buy from RoseGirl or DressLily.com. All you have to make sure is that the page says that they're not going to have any customs. These two sides, I'm really swear by it. Product quality wise, the material wise, everything is really amazing. If you have any other questions apart from this, so I have made a detailed review of these two websites, DressLily.com and RoseGirl.com. Link it in the description tab as well. Watch that video thoroughly through the shipping charges, the customs and everything related to it. In case if you have any other doubt apart from that, feel free to DM me on my Instagram at Aditi Iyer. If you're somebody watching me new and who don't know me, my name is Aditi. I make a lot of videos on fashion and travel on budget. So if you don't want to miss all that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The subscribe icon below, hit on that. It's just gonna ask your mail ID. You give in your mail ID, it is totally free and you get notified on every time I post a new video. Did you like this video? Please let me know on the comments below. I'll be loving to hear, and do not forget to check out my Instagram page as well. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do give it a like, and do not forget to share it with your girlfriends. Tune into my channel every Tuesday and Friday at 9 PM to find me with a brand new video. Thank you so much for staying around. Bye.